Hey, today I just want to yap real quick. So I deleted my last video on YouTube because I was getting comments like,
Is your ex pushing you into a wall of flex?
"No, it's not. This is me venting without sounding like a total downer. Since I don't talk to anyone about my problems, this is the best way I can do it. And most of my rants are just me arguing with myself about situations that might not even happen. I don't want to make y'all's days worse because of my problems. No one wants to care about my problems. Why should I make them care? Anyways, Tony is out.